Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you've never come across one of our videos before, or if you haven't looked at the channel before, what we do here is post earwax removal videos. We post new ones every Tuesday and every Friday. So if you have any questions about the video that you go out to watch, then pop them into the comment section below, and that way then the most popular questions we can answer at the end of the week. So enjoy the video, and I shall see you at the end. So we have a wax removal for you today, guys. A relatively simple one for us. We've got a large plug of wax which is completely occluded in the ear canal. So this patient's been experiencing a lot of hearing loss. No discomfort as such because the wax is relatively soft. So this is the standard Zollner tube you can see here. So we're just going to do a bit of probing along the wall of this wax just to see if we can get a little bit of a grip with the suction. Just trying to find any looser sections there. There you go. Just start to see it moving. So we've got a leading edge on this wax now, so we can get a better suction grip on this. It's always difficult when the front end of the wax is quite flat because it's difficult to get a good grip on it. There we are. Nice big chunk of wax. Got a little bit of dry skin there at the top. Just whip that out now for the patient. There you go. Good, nice looking eardrum. So this is what we removed. You see it all came away really nicely in one big piece. That's the standard size Zollner tube you can see there. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already and you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.